Hello, my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Amazing Craft Ideas. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing very well. Today, in this video, I bring some latest collection of beautifully decorated, unique ikebana floral arrangements. These are some uniquely decorated ikebana and some heavenly created ideas that you will love to create these sort of ideas for your home settings. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love all these ideas and enjoy creating them. In this video, I bring some latest collection of beautifully decorated, unique ikebana floral arrangements to make your home settings more beautiful by adding different contemporary ideas that can easily be customized by any of the viewer according to their own likings and requirements. They can create these sort of beautiful arrangement or ideas to make it more unique and elegant look to your home settings. You will definitely love these sort of ideas. Viewers, as you have seen in this video, you can create any of these beautifully decorated ideas or arrangements to make your home settings more beautiful by using different colorful tulips. It can be of different colors or shapes that you will love to create these sort of arrangements to make these sort of ideas more pleasant by adding beautiful arrangements or creating it in different vases to display it on the floor, or different table settings can also be created in different ceramic plates. Viewers, these ideas can be created to make it a more unique and elegant crafty idea that will inspire most of the people, and they can also create these ideas willingly. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest ideas for you. So if you have any request, you can mention it in the comment section. I will work on it. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can also mention it in the comment section. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you really like these ideas, share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel and also encourages me to bring some latest and creative ideas for you. So viewers, I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. Keep sharing my video, keep supporting me like this. I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you.